Hello everyone, hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to talk about anomaly management. So, under anomaly management, there are four different categories, which includes cloud cost anomalies, cost-driven anomalies, unpredicted variations, and anomaly management. Right. So, I'm going to talk about cloud cost anomaly in this video specifically, and I'm going to give you a brief about how cloud cost anomaly is and what is it and how we can address it, as well as what are the different structured approaches which we can take to identify and manage it, right? So what is cloud cost anomalies? Cloud cost anomaly refers to unexpected variations in the cloud spendings, right? Which are larger than the expected outcome or expected spends that we are going to see, right? So basically, it's going to give us the historical spending patterns, as well as these anomalies are essential for our FinOps management, as it allows organizations to optimize resources utilization, as well as avoid unforeseen cloud billings charges and maintain the effective control over the cloud spends, right? And basis on that, we can also uh, put an anomaly management involves in the structured approaches to detect, identify, and manage unexpected increased cloud costs, right? And basis on that, there are variation or various methods to implement those in order to detect and then take the appropriate actions, right? So there are two approaches. The first approach is automated matrix based on real-time data, right? From cloud servers or from cloud platforms or from different cloud services, which identifies thresholds and changes and then usage patterns, right? And which gives an visibility for us to see what is being charged or what is being used heavily, and how we can reduce down the cost. The second is machine learning models that analyzes the trends and then historical spending data, which also gives an opportunity to identify expected usage patterns and alert deviations, right? So basis on that, we can also uh, go back and see what is happening and what exactly is being used and what are the different things, right? And basis on that, we would be able to see what is being used, what is not, and how those are being utilized, right? So there would be a question how to address those anomalies, right? And there would also be a situations what are the different ways how we can go ahead and see, and maybe we, while addressing those, what are the things that we should consider, we should look back and see, because definitely once we are provisioning different services and resources, we are spending a lot of time, lot of money and resources as well, right? And to address those, to resolve those, there are different methods or different systematic approaches that we should take. So the first is prompt detection, which is going to give us the tools to identify initial anomalies as soon as those are occurred within the system, and it enables timely adjustments to save the unnecessary spends or unnecessary cost which we are spending on different resources, different systems, different services across the cloud or across the organization, right? And the second is triage. So what is triage? It is going to simply allow us to evaluate the anomalies and determine its causes, which may give and which may gives us exploring usage patterns which we have used so far in the before in the previous time or past time, and then basis on that we can calculate and allocate the resources on regions and resource levels and then different account levels, and basis on that we can drill down the cost and spends, right? And the third is adjusting the cause of anomaly as necessary to ensure optimal cost or optimal cloud usage and cost efficiency is managed and it is going to give us the capability to resolve those unwanted costs and unwanted issues there, right? So overall, it is going to give us the effective anomaly detection as a dual purpose, as well as it does not only help us, but it also prevents wasteful expenditures or those expenses which are not really been used for business or used for teams and services and products that we are using for our business or cloud requirements, right? And also it helps us in identifying security and reliability, and then it reduces the incidents and the costs at all, right? So this is how we can go ahead and work on the, or we can remediate the cost anomalies in the cloud. And yeah, that is all for this video. Hope you will like it. Please do watch this video, and yep, thanks for watching. Bye for now.